Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Today is 24 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. It is very much helpful for all competitive examinations. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affair. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was ICC Men's T20 World Cup postponed to which year? 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. The correct answer here is 2022. Option B is correct here. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup is postponed to 2022. It is scheduled to be played in Australia. Okay. Do you know what is the headquarters of the ICC? The headquarters of the ICC is situated in Dubai, and CEO of ICC is Manu Sahani. Manu Sahani is the CEO of ICC. Okay. Our second question was Joram Mega Food Park is inaugurated in which state? Mizoram, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya. The correct answer here is Mizoram. Option A is correct here. Okay. Recently, Joram Mega Food Park is inaugurated in Mizoram. Okay. The Chief Minister of Mizoram is Joram Thanga. Governor is P.S. Sridharan Pillai, and capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is which state has launched Godhan Nyaya Yojana? Which state has launched Godhan Nyaya Yojana? Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer here is Chhattisgarh. Option A is correct here. The Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has launched Godhan Nyaya Yojana. During this scheme will help to promote the cattle rearing and ensure the safety of livestock. Okay, Chhattisgarh is in news. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Raipur is the capital. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel and Governor is Anusuya Uke. Anusuya Uke is the Governor of Chhattisgarh. Okay. Next question. Which bank rolls out Insta Click Savings Account? Karnataka Bank, Bank of Baroda, PNB, SBI. The correct answer here is Bank of Baroda. Option B is correct here. Recently, Bank of Baroda rolls out Insta Click Saving Account for customers. Okay, and the India's third largest public sector bank is Bank of Baroda. A 100% digital self-assisted online saving account is recently launched by Bank of Baroda. Okay, the headquarters of the Bank of Baroda is situated in Vadodara, Gujarat. In Gujarat. Okay, the CEO is Sanjeev Chata. Sanjeev Chata is the CEO of Bank of Baroda, and the tagline of the Bank of Baroda is India's International Bank. India's International Bank is the tagline of Bank of Baroda. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who launched the Bruksharopan Abhiyan in New Delhi? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Arvind Kejriwal, Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. The correct answer here is Amit Shah. Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched Bruksharopan Abhiyan in New Delhi. Okay. During this program, he also inaugurated the lay foundation stone of six eco parks and tourism. Okay. You can see the image of the Amit Shah here, our Union Home Minister. Okay, and he recently launched the Bruksharopan Abhiyan in New Delhi. Okay, next question. Question number 4. Who has successfully launched Tianwen first, its independence mission to Mars? China, America, Japan, Russia. The correct answer here is China. Option A is correct here. China has successfully launched Tianwen first, its independent mission to Mars. A long Mars 5 rocket carrying this spacecraft, and the Tianwen 1. The meaning of the Tianwen 1 is a question to heaven. A question to heaven. Okay. China is in news. The capital of China is Beijing. Currency is renminbi, and president is Xi Jinping. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Bajaj Finance chairman decided to resign. Who is the chairman now? Sanjeev Bajaj, Rahul Bajaj, Shekhar Bajaj. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Rahul Bajaj. Recently, the present and the non-executive chairman of Bajaj Finance is Rahul Bajaj, and he has decided to resign, and he will replaced by his son Sanjeev Bajaj. He will going to be replaced by his son Sanjeev Bajaj. The headquarter of the Bajaj Finserv is in Pune. It is established in 2007. Bajaj Finserv is established in 2007. Okay. Recently, Rahul Bajaj decided to resign, and Sanjeev Bajaj become the chairman, next chairman of the Bajaj Finserv. Okay. Next question. Who signed an agreement with Punjab government for skill development? IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Ropar. The correct answer here is Indian Institute of Technology Ropar has signed an agreement with Punjab government for skill development. Okay. Who is the director of the IIT Ropar? SK Das. SK Das is the director of the IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar also is in Punjab. Okay. Next question. India has successfully conducted flight test of anti-tank guided missile named Agni, Dhruvastra, Varuna, Prithvi. The correct answer here is option B, Dhruvastra. India has successfully recently conducted flight test of anti-tank guided missile named Dhruvastra. The name is Dhruvastra. You can see the image of the Dhruvastra here, and it is tested in Chandipur, Odisha. It is developed by DRDO. DRDO developed the Dhruvastra, Defense Research Development Organization. The headquarters of the DRDO is in New Delhi, and the chairman of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who is appointed as MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance? Alok Mishra, Prakash Chandra Kandpal, Pushan Mahapatra, Amitabh Kant. The correct answer here is PC Kandpal. Prakash Chandra Kandpal become the new MD and Chief Executive Officer of SBI General Insurance. Okay. He will replace the Pushan Mahapatra. Okay. You can see the image of the PC Kandpal here. Now the new MD and CEO of SBI General Insurance. Okay. Question number 9. Sumit Dev appointed as new chairman and managing director of NMDC, SCL, NTPC, BHEL. The correct answer here is option A, NMDC. The NMDC stands for National Mineral Development Corporation. National Mineral Development Corporation is the abbreviation of NMDC, and recently the Sumit Dev is appointed as the new CMD of the NMDC. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Last question of the today's session is LIC signed agreement with which bank for distribute letters policy? Union Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Karnataka Bank, Karur Vyasa Bank. The correct answer here is Union Bank of India. Option A is correct here. Recently, LIC and Union Bank of India have announced a corporate agency in agreement to distribute LIC policies. Okay. The LIC chairman is now M.R. Kumar. M.R. Kumar is the chairman of LIC now, and the headquarters of the LIC is situated in Mumbai. Okay. Union Bank of India headquarters also in Mumbai, and the MD of the Union Bank of India is Rajkiran Rai. Rajkiran Rai is the MD of Union Bank of India. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Okay. As per you know, this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in the comment box. We will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, SpaceX has launched South Korea's first military satellite named. You have to answer the name here. Our second question was, who developed the Bharat drones for accurate surveillance? DRDO, IAF, ISRO, NTPC. Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a connecting link between you and educational wing will be established. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe for the further updates. Thank you.